Singapore is on the move. From Smart Nation to AI Nation, the message is clear. Artificial intelligence isn't optional anymore. It's essential. In today's workplace, being AI fluent isn't just an advantage, it's a must-have capability. That's where ImpressTraining comes in. We offer comprehensive courses across 3 critical areas. AI and technology. Learn to leverage AI tools that enhance productivity. From Copilot to Claude, we'll get you fluent fast. Business skills. Master data analysis, motivate teams, and manage projects. Communication excellence. Develop persuasive presentation and executive side decks, and use new digital communication tools. Whether you're upskilling your team or advancing your own career, we provide expert-led, practical training that delivers real results. Are you ready? Visit ImpressTraining.com today. Explore our courses. Transform your capabilities. ImpressTraining, empowering Singapore's AI-ready workforce.